Hi. So I'm going to do a second part to the fingerstyle blues lesson. This is going to use a sliding ninth chord, and it's going to descend down using E7 shapes and other little things. And I'm going to kind of walk it through a 12-bar blues. The initial lick's going to go like this, starting on the 7th fret, which is the E9 chord. I'm just using the top three. I'm going to slide it up to the 9th fret. Kind of an E6 to an E9, and then I'm going to the 3rd and 2nd string, sliding into the 5th and 6th fret, and then down to the 3rd and 4th. This is like a sliding into an E7 chord. You can either go to the 2nd to open, or you can go 2nd, where you put the 1st fret down. So the whole lick goes. Or and then you do the same thing when you go to A, but you'll be up on the 12th fret, sliding up to the 14th, same lick. And then back to E, and then B7, and then A, and then back to E. So if I play through that with the thumping bass part, you get this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on and on and on forever. Try fooling around with that a little bit, just sliding these shapes around. Or going. Try ascending instead of descending. That can work. Go out of order. Just play around with it. Anyway, hope that gives you some ideas that you can fool around with, sliding those shapes up and down your neck. And we can get more into the theory end of it some other time. Bye.